Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can stretch text in your designs on Figma. So let us get started and show you how you can achieve this. So what you want to do, guys, is head over to your design on Figma and left click into the text box you would like to customize. So I can go with that text here for demonstration purposes. And after that, guys, this customization panel here to the right will open up. So the easiest way, at least based on my experience, guys, to stretch a text would be to simply adjust its letter and line spacing. You will see the letter as well as the line spacing here under typography. So let us begin with the letter spacing here. So what you want to do is simply left click into the left edge of that letter spacing box till it turns, the cursor turns into a double-headed arrow like this. Left click and hold your left mouse. And after that, move your mouse to the left or to the right to increase the letter spacing. And that way, if you move the mouse to the right, you will automatically also stretch your text horizontally, just like that. So as you can see, the gaps between these letters are now bigger. And you may do the same for your line spacing here next to it, line height. Again, left click into that box, left click, hold your left mouse and move your mouse to the left or to the right to increase the line spacing. Just like that. There you go. So now the line spacing is larger, and the gap between that line and this line below is larger. So you may play around with this as much as you like and simply adjust your line spacing as well as your letter spacing to stretch your text manually and intuitively, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.